In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and recover saved passwords in Google Chrome. Sometimes we accidentally delete passwords in Chrome, and recovering them can seem like a daunting task. But don't worry, there are still a few ways you might be able to retrieve them, especially if you've been using the same Google account across different devices or have a backup in place. First and foremost, it's important to understand that once passwords are deleted from Chrome, restoring them directly within the browser isn't possible. This means you won't find an undo option to bring them back immediately. Nonetheless, if you've synced your data across devices or maintained backups, you might be in luck. One of the easiest ways to retrieve lost passwords is to check other devices on which you also use Chrome with the same Google account. If Chrome is installed and synced on multiple devices, there's a chance that the deletion may not have synced across all of them. So let's dive into how you can take advantage of this. Head over to another device where you use Chrome, perhaps another computer or even a tablet. Once there, open up the Chrome browser. It's crucial you do this before reconnecting the internet or syncing, as syncing can quickly reproduce the loss of passwords across devices if connected. Once inside Chrome, navigate to the Settings menu. You can typically find this by clicking on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the browser. Once in the settings, locate the section labeled Autofill. Under this, you should see an option called Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores all password details that it has saved while you're browsing. Once in the Password Manager, scroll through the list of passwords to see if the ones you need are still present there. If you're lucky, they might not have been deleted on this particular device yet. If you find the passwords you're looking for, export them as soon as possible or make a careful note of them. It's important to do this quickly because as soon as your device reconnects to the internet and the sync updates, any deletions made on another device may propagate to this device as well. Taking these steps can be a lifesaver and potentially help you recover information that could otherwise be lost. Remember, keeping a regular backup of passwords or using a reliable password manager can save you from this hassle in the future. With these steps, you can stay one step ahead and ensure your key information is never truly lost.